Hi everyone! My name is Heather and I am so excited to be your unique presenter. So, first of all, I just want to go ahead and let you guys know ahead of time that I am not here to spam you. I'm not going to be sending you guys messages like crazy. It's not what I do. I promise. It's not how I do things. So, this is a beauty bash, and over the next 10 days, I'm just going to be sharing some demos, some pictures, some how-tos, videos, things like that on my favorite products that this company has. And I promise you by the end of this, you are going to be so much more confident with your own makeup skills and just as excited about these products as I am. We also have amazing skincare, okay? So I know that some people will see this and they say, oh, I don't do makeup. Skincare is very important, so stay tuned for that as well. And that's about it. I'm excited. Let's get this party started. It's time for a beauty bash.